way, today we're going. Kael, today we are going to make beer bread. It's really easy. Like if you don't want to wait for yeast just to rise. It's really easy and quick. You can just use beer instead if you don't want to wait for it to rise. It's really quick and easy. We really like it. So we'll start with our dry ingredients. So there's 3 cups flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we'll put in the beer. So 1 can of beer. 12 ounces. If you are under the age of 21 and you have a little bit left, I would not recommend tasting any of it. Doesn't smell good either. Stir. You use a spoon, won't use our mixer today. Turns out we'll just actually need a little bit more liquid, so we're just gonna add just a little bit. Now we mix. When you put it in the oven, it will take the alcohol away. The alcohol will actually be taken out when you pop it in the oven. Just a heads up. And all we'll do is we'll put it in our pan. And so we oiled it. We oiled all around the corners and everything. And then we put some parchment paper and we'll just put the dough in. So I'll get the butter now. So if you want a crispy taste on the top, then you put butter. If you do not, then you don't need any butter. But if you do, it calls for 1/2 cup of butter. A half cup of butter. This is probably one of the shortest recipes I've ever done in my life. So there you go. Now what we'll do is we'll just put it in the oven. We'll just first you preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll keep it in there for an hour. Here we go, our beer bread has been in the oven for at least an hour. And now we'll take it out. And we'll basically just cut it up into little pieces and eat it with some soup, and it'll taste good. Bon appetit. It's still hot. I just cut up a little piece. Bon appetit! Also, please subscribe and like it.